Those are, it's a good day. This is your intro.
Oh, you ready?
First, take a deep breath.
Okay.
What you gonna say?
Should I be like corny?
What's corny?
You know, people are like, what's up, guys?
What?
So then, like, what? Then you do the intro.
Oh, how do I intro? Like now, tune into my YouTube channel where we do absolutely nothing but look at me do weird shit and review cool toys from Toys R Us. 'Cause I'm never gonna grow up.
That's not what we're doing. Guess I'll have to do this intro myself.
In love from the moment that I saw you. I knew you would be my queen. In love with the way that you walk. Can't believe you don't have a team. Apple bottom, I ain't talking jeans. Baby had a face like Maya. Better get a face like Aaliyah. Drove a black Kia. Butterfly tats like Mariah. I was just trying to get inside her. Me and used to hear to confront her. He would turn to a liar. No offense, I wish I could buy you. Daydreaming about you. Wonder how you ride it. Shit. Lisa, you're a fire. Everything you want, I'ma give you, baby. Never mind the whole shit. My life is crazy. But we can go to France, but the flights is crazy. I'm trying to change your life. Do you like it, baby? Watch you all night like a TV show. Then I beat it all day before the kids get home. Damn, you're so nasty, baby. I'm putting on a show, you gon' have to pay me. Told you to your man, cause he nothing like me. I expose you to art, cause your father like me. I expose you to life when you lost your right leg. I lead you to your soul, to your heart that might me.
Hey, babe.
Yes.
Tell me what we doing today.
Oh, what's up, everyone? We're going to Busch Gardens. Howl-O-Scream.
Are you sure about that?
It's Howl-O-Scream. Pretty sure it's Howl-O-Scream. We're getting ready to go now.
But first, let me take a selfie.
We should be a hot dog for Halloween.
Like living here. Oh, no.
Listen, you walk together.
That's why I want to go to the...
Let's see how it goes tonight. We just got here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually a little bit nervous. I
got the baby shakes.
Are you scared? No. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit scared. Oh shit. Are you scared? Not yet. I'm scared. Are you scared? Oh, you said
I ain't scared of shit.
I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared.
I don't want to do it! No, just
one-way
go.
ticket.
Just
Scared?
Where did they just go? Hey, no way,
He's
no.
scared as
no,
hell.
no,
Look
no,
at
no.
him. He's scared.
Take me off, take me off, take me off.
scared. He's trying to act like he's not scared, I think. Actually, no, I'm pretty sure he's scared.
That's really high. That's really high up. Really high up. That is really high up. Really, really high
You guys, we forgot to do an ending again. Catch us next video because Honey's gonna be doing my hair and my makeup. Let's see how that goes. Let's see. I think it might actually turn out kind of good. Honey, what do you think?
It'd be amazing.
See? See you next time.